Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are most welcome to my channel Tot Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss and resolve this issue of Windows 10 which comes with an error thread struck in device driver M. This is a kind of blue screen of death, also comes with dxgkrnl.sys error. So we can fix this issue itself on Windows 10. For that you have to go on command prompt. You have to run the command prompt as an administrator. Then you have to give access by clicking on yes. Now the first command is you have to sfc scan. Now this sfc space / scan now. Then you simply press enter. Now the scanning press will take some time. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes depend upon the compatibility of your PC. So you just need to carefully watch this. Then afterward I am going to show you the second method. What you have to do is this in this video. You have to be patient till the verification take place. It will goes to 100%, then it will complete. Once the verification completes to 100%, then you have to do the second steps, which was like this. You have to close all the tabs. Then afterward you have to go on the my computer. In the Windows drive you have to right click on that, then click properties, then you have to click on tools. Now you have to click on check now. So you can check this automatically and also click on this box scan for the atom recovery of the bad sector. Then you have to just start it. Again you have to wait for a while, you can schedule it once the computer starts the next time. So you can schedule it by that method also. So I have scheduled it. Once I would restart my PC, it will check that any errors in the BIOS menu itself. So these were the two methods I have shown you. Hope one of the method would definitely work for this MBSOD error. So thank you friends. If you like this video, then give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you still resist the problem, then you can leave your comment in the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 10 to 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.